Here's a look at the charts for this week, and we've got a southeasterly flow across the country on Monday. Those winds strengthening and will reach gale force pretty widely, and the strongest winds not necessarily on the highest tops, some powerful gusts coming down to lower slopes. A bright day though, again, for most of Scotland, across northern England, and probably into most of Wales as well, although a weak warm front just drifting in from the southeast will fill in with banks of low cloud, and just becoming more hazy, I think, across England and Wales as the day goes on. Some areas of low cloud may just develop around the southeastern highlands, where the wind flow is coming in off the North Sea. Terrain remaining extensively frozen. We've got a hard frost first thing again in many of the glens and the valleys, and temperatures staying widely below zero on the higher tops throughout the day. It stays windy into Tuesday, and again powerful gale force gusts coming down to lower slopes, southeasterlies once again. We've got a weak warm front drifting further northwards, which will mean more in the way of low cloud extensively across England, Wales and the south of Scotland, maybe up the west coast as well. And it's the far north that will fare best with this wind direction for a bright day with a good amount of sunshine and very little in the way of low cloud for the northern Cairngorms and northwest Highlands. Now, temperatures on the higher tops may well be a few degrees above freezing. We'll have an inversion in place by this stage, with the valleys and the glens that may be at freezing or below, whilst those higher tops are comparatively warmer. Now, fronts will make their way north and eastwards Tuesday night and into Wednesday. A bit of uncertainty how quickly they'll do so, with the pressure pattern becoming fairly slack by this stage. At least winds will be dropping lighter by this time, but some rather murky conditions with residual areas of rain, sleet and snow. Snow on higher areas, you might find that temperatures don't vary a great deal with height, but I think at lower levels mostly just rain, and that rather dull picture I think is the main message. Some brighter skies may come through, and into Thursday pressure tries to build again, the weakening fronts just drifting away eastwards, so it should be a brighter day. Temperatures just dropping a degree or so, maybe on higher areas, some banks of low cloud around western mountains, but should be a few breaks developing and winds looking fairly light. Now, by Friday, high pressure lies towards the east and low pressure and fronts are trying to come in from the west, strengthening that south-southeasterly wind once again, so almost back to square one in that respect. Looks a largely dry day though, could still be a few areas of low cloud, best of the breaks towards the northern side of high ground, northern Scotland and maybe even parts of North Wales doing pretty well. So stay right up to date with us here at the Mountain Weather Information Service, all your local details updated every single day on the website.